How to use Life360 individual driving reports. So if you're trying to view the individual reports of your members inside of a particular circle, then what you need to do is simply head over to the driving section that is visible on the bottom. Now keep in mind that you need the platinum or the gold plan in order to view the individual reports. So you can just tap on the member that you're trying to view the report of, and you'll be able to see a few information such as total miles, total speed, total drives, and a few other information. You can also add in date filters such as last week, or you can also select a manual date from the options given on the top. Now even if you have the gold or the platinum plan, option might not be visible if the circle member has not enabled the drive detection. So the circle member must simply head over to the settings on their phone, scroll down, and then head over to the privacy center, scroll down again, and make sure that this option is enabled. Only if this option is enabled for the circle member, the individual driving reports are going to be available, unless all of the reports will not be visible right inside of the driving section. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to leave a like. I'm going to see you in the next video.